hindi ako nag-aral para maging fake news spreader. It's not as if Ace Barbers cannot sue someone. It's not as if Martin Romualdez cannot sue someone. It's been done before. We could be sued. A congressman can sue someone. So why are they not using it? Bakit ipapatawag kami para dun sa HOR para magawa nila yung gusto nila? It's not a level playing field. We're not going. Hindi naman kami tanga na pupunta kami doon. Tas gagawin nilang gusto nila sa amin. Gusto niyo ng gulo? Gusto niyo ng dito sa labas? And then, if gusto niyo talaga kami ipatawag, hindi namin ibibigay yung sarili namin easily. You will go through legal hoops to get us. Hindi kami tanga, hindi kami aso na pupunta kami sa HR kasi pinatawag niyo kami. Kung gusto niyo kaming kunin, makukuha niyo kami pero paghihirapan niyo. And malalaman ng buong mundo kung anong ginagawa niyo.
Meanwhile,
If that's your feeling, Mr. Chair, I demand that you apologize to this committee.
I will apologize, Mr. Chair, for my bad words I apologize for my bad words, sir. I apologize for saying the word tanga in my post.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair, for admitting that. Siguro naman, makikita mo naman ang gobyerno. Sasabihin mo mga tanga kami. Siguro,